Welcome back to Nursery Talks. Today we're gonna be doing the headphone system. So today I am going to teach you guys how to do YouTube. And first you need YouTube, you need funny sound effects. So today I'm gonna share some sound effects with you guys. Stay tuned. Yeah, stay tuned.